Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are watching from. Thank you for tuning into my channel at Chacha Unlimited. Guys, I hope that it's a marvelous Monday morning. It is Labor Day here in Virginia, and I was actually getting a car hitch installed on my car because one of the things that I love to do is I like to go biking and riding, and I have my son. He's 7 years old, and we like to go biking. And one of the challenges that I've had over the last couple maybe about a year is that I cannot actually carry my bikes in the car to go do trails or ride. So one of the things that I've been thinking about doing was actually getting a car hitch installed on my car so that I can have a bike rack on the back of the vehicle and be able to fit up to 3 or 2 bikes on, so that it's easy for us to take bikes on trails and ride, because you know what, you're gonna enjoy the summer before it gets cold. So I just got my hitch installed. This is a U-Haul. This is a U-Haul facility in Harrisonburg, Virginia, and they just did my hitch installation. So they just finished. It took about 2.5 hours roughly, and I waited here. So I'm not promoting U-Haul, but just letting you guys know I have a hitch installed on my car, and I'm probably going to be doing content with bikes and stuff like that. But anyway, I'm gonna flip the camera over and just show you what I'm talking about here in a jiffy. So guys, this is a hitch right here. As you guys can see, it is shiny and brand new. Got installed on my car. So I'll be installing the bike rack later on, hopefully maybe today. If not, this is probably going to be a continuation of the video, but I have a hitch on my car, and I'm going to be getting the bike rack together to put on a car so that we can be doing some adventures with biking and stuff like that. But anyways, if you're tuning in here, keep it tuned in, and hopefully we can get that bike rack installed. But yeah, so this is it is a storage facility, but as well as one of a U-Haul center that they have different activities, and they custom install hitches for SUVs, cars, and other things. And they do, as I was saying, there's a storage facilities. They have rental U-Haul trucks over there and all over there. But anyways, guys, thank you for tuning into Chacha Unlimited. Keep it locked in, whatever you're watching from. And if you have not subscribed, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and let's get on the road to 1,000 subscribers. All right. Hello, beautiful people. So as you just saw a little bit ago, I'm just leaving the U-Haul installation facility for hitches, and I'm actually driving from the U-Haul place through one of the newest schools in Harrisonburg. Harrisonburg has a main high school, which is called Harrisonburg High School, but they just opened for this fall academic year, for school year 2024-2025. They just opened a new high school because if you watch my previous video about JMU. Anyway, folks, as I was saying, if you watch my previous video, and if you haven't watched it, kindly go check that video out because it's amazing content. I shot the video in downtown Harrisonburg for the JMU block party. So but anyway, so Harrisonburg has one of its main high school, which is called Harrisonburg High School, but because as I mentioned in that video about the block party, Harrisonburg is considered the friendly city. It's welcoming to diverse folks, as one of you guys pointed out, it is definitely great. So because of that diversity and the city growing, they have had a need to build and open a second high school called Rocktown High School. So the new high school, Rocktown High School, is just opposite of the U-Haul installation center that I just came by, and I just left having a Hitch installed on my vehicle. So I just thought, hey, why don't I just drive over here at Rocktown High School and just quickly give you a glimpse of this brand new high school that just opened. Actually just opened about, I want to say, because school has been on now for 2 weeks. Yeah, so it just opened about 2 weeks ago. So this is the newest high school called Rocktown High School in Harrisonburg. I'm actually driving in circles because I've not been here before. I'm driving in circles through Rocktown High School. And I'm hoping I can find a way. So this is a parking lot that I'm driving through, and as you can see in the behind the scenes, you can see that orange building. That's the main high school campus that I'm gonna probably stop here in a minute or so and give you guys a tour. Actually, let me make a quick stop here so that I can show you guys couple of things that I'm talking about. I'm gonna grab my phone and put it on. So guys, this is the selfie stick that I use when I'm filming. But anyways, so I'm mounting my phone on a selfie stick, and so that's where I was driving from. So that is the campus building of Rocktown High School. And actually the reason I just stopped is I want to show you. So right now it's about to be fall in Virginia. So fall means football, American football. So when I talk about football here in the context of the US, I'm basically going to be talking about American football. And actually, while I'm on that topic, I was talking about the Hitch. I'm gonna go ahead and actually show you. So this here is the Hitch that I'm talking about, that I just had installed on the vehicle. So this is just the same video. I'm not doing any tricks, but this here, guys, so this is the brand new football field for Rocktown High School. So I wanted to quickly stop and show it to you guys. So right here, this is the brand new football field. I'm gonna flip the camera over here so I can give you guys a better view. But anyways, if you're just tuning in here, I just left a U-Haul installation center that just had a Hitch installed on my vehicle so that I can have a bike rack for being able to carry bikes to ride at terrains and stuff like that. So anyways, let me go ahead and flip this camera over so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This here is Rocktown High School, the newest high school. This is a football field. I'm zooming in to give you guys a glimpse of what this football field looks like. So it's brand new. It's a brand new football field, and this is the Rocktown High School. I'm just stopped a little bit. I'm actually going to drive over there to give you guys a glimpse. Now I'm going to zoom in here in just a second. There is Rocktown High School, the newest high school. All right, we are gonna go get back in the vehicle and keep moving. I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone back in front of my car, and I'm just adjusting the view, guys. So if you've seen a lot of my videos when I'm driving, that's the secret of how I manage to get those nice, wonderful shots when I'm filming. Alright guys, so we are on with a tour. It's not really a tour. It is a drive. And actually what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go ahead and flip the camera over again and just show you what I'm talking about, Rocktown High. So guys, this is Rocktown High School. So I'm just driving through its main front of the high school. So today is Monday, September 2nd. It's Labor Day. It's a holiday in the US, so you don't really see a lot of flurry of activity. But this is the front of the high school. This is called Rocktown High School. I have not been through this high school yet, but it's a beautiful new high school campus that has just been built for the friendly city of Harrisonburg to accommodate the huge population growth, because Harrisonburg is welcoming to a lot of diverse different communities. So I'm actually driving through. I have not been on this campus before, so I don't even know my way around it. So doing my best to show you guys what this looks like. So this is just a random, it wasn't a planned drive that I was wanting to probably going the wrong way here, but hey, I'm trying to get a quick shot of this high school here. Anyway, I'm gonna make a quick stop, take a wide shot of the building, and then I'm gonna head out. Anyway guys, so I just made a quick stop. So this is the newest campus, Rocktown High, in Harrisonburg, Virginia. So just make a quick drive through for that shot. I'm gonna flip the camera up again and give you a closer look of it. Okay, so there is the view of Rocktown High School. So it's a brand new high school in the city of Harrisonburg. As you guys can see, it is a beautiful, beautiful day. You can see the blue skies. I don't know if we're gonna be having any rain, but the green painted spots you see, those are tennis courts where the high school kids can practice or do their tennis matches. So I'm gonna be exiting out from Rocktown High School, going back to the main road and hang out. So folks, anyway, that was just a brief tour of Rocktown High School, the newest high school in Harrisonburg. So the latest series of videos that I've been doing have really been about they have really been showing you around Harrisonburg. We did the JMU block party and for Harrisonburg, so I'm just doing my due diligence of giving you guys a glimpse of the city of Harrisonburg and what it looks like. I'm actually stopped at an intersection. This road is called East Taylor Park Drive. That's the road that leads to the newest high school. So they just built this intersection here to ensure that there's ease of flow for traffic into the high school. So guys, I am just driving through on my way home, and as you can see, this fields here, this was all corn. As fall approaches, a lot of corn has already been harvested, so you can see all the brown that you see on either side of corn. Over on the left, this side here, actually I'm going to slow down and show you what I'm talking about. So right, still a little corn that hasn't been harvested. Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Achacha Limited. So as I had mentioned earlier, we are going to be working on getting the bike rack together so that we can put it together on the car that we just had the hitch installed this morning at the U-Haul Hitch Center. So anyways, so I am here back at home now, live from Virginia, and I am getting ready to start the process. So guys, as I was saying, I was going to show you the start of the process. So here are the couple of the bikes that we have. The bikes here. And anyways, I have my chest set up here, and I got tools. So this is the box that the hitch, not the hitch, the bike rack came in. That's the box, and I have my tool box over here. So I got a couple tools here. Typically, I got screwdrivers, ropes, just a bunch of other tools that I need when I'm doing some handy things. But anyways, as I was saying, I got a couple tools that I have here. I'm getting them ready, that I usually use when I'm doing home projects and installing things. So as I had shared with you guys, this is the hitch. There is actually run new. I'm trying to see. I was just trying to see. So this is a hitch, and that's my car over there, and we are going to be working on that. I have my tripod here set up. Hopefully I'll be able to get good views as we walk here. I'm out of my home garage, getting ready to get this together. here. This is called a Booge RV 4-base bike hitch carrier. You guys can see there. So I'm going to be disassembling the pieces to make sure that we have everything we need before I start the assembly process. Alright guys, so I'm opening the box and taking out the parts. So we got all the assembly tools. You guys can see. Manual. All right. So I have a manual here, so this reminds me when we put together the office chair. So now we're going to be putting together a Hitch bike rack. As you guys can see here, hopefully this is not going to be a painful process, but personally I like the challenge. So if you're watching this, thank you for joining Achacha Limited. So we are working on installing or getting our bike rack together. So I'm just looking here at the instructions. I got a Hitch installed this morning, and so this is my project for the day. Anyways, this is the manual here, so I'm just inspecting, making sure that we have all the stuff that we need. Here's the rack itself, all the parts. So we are getting ready here to put this bike rack together. So if you're joining me in, stay tuned and we will see how this progresses. So I had to figure out how to open this. So I have the first part figured out, and then the second, so you unfold the rock, and you have that ready like this. So guys, we're working on putting together a bike rack. So far we figured out how to put this up, and I'm looking at the instructions to make sure that everything goes as planned. Okay. slowly progressing. Alright, as you guys can definitely tell here, this is definitely taking shape as a bike rack. Anyway guys, if you're tuning in to my channel, thank you for joining me. So I am steadily working on putting together, assembling my bike rack for fall festivities. We're going to try to take advantage of the fall weather before it gets super cold here in Virginia. So we rack almost ready, so we're just putting the final finishing touches. So but if you're joining my channel, thank you for checking out my content. So please kindly like, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Is this a project that you have worked on yourself? Are you an avid bike rider? So we are near the mountains. We definitely want to make that most advantage. Don't take advantage of the surroundings around us with physical activity. So trying to make sure that we have ways of carrying bikes for activities outside. Because you can't really fit a bike in the trunk of your car or bonnet, as folks in UK or Kenya would say. But anyways, so stay tuned as I get this rack together.
Bright tonight, shining like such a sight. Heartbeat thumps to the beat, dancing feet on the street. Stars in action, moving fast, lighting up the sky.
So I'm just testing to see if I assembled everything correctly. Because one of the things is you don't want to think that you have everything the way it's supposed to be and then you realize that it's not correct. So this is just a test and also just getting a glimpse of what it would look like after all is said and done. So guys, we are kind of getting into the final touches. So I'm just looking at the final instructions here with this assembly process. So I just loaded it onto the hitch that we had installed this morning, and then we have a key that you're supposed to insert and turn the knob clockwise to make sure that you lock and unlock the rock into the right place. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. But anyway, so you're supposed to open this and then you
In the sky, all bright tonight, shining like such a sight.
basically twist, and as you twist this right here, you can see it's gonna lock in place right there. Oh, yep, as you can see that this right here is what locks the mechanism that is supposed to lock, and make sure that you have a steady lock in place. Okay, so once it's really tight space, and I guess you take the key, and once you take the key out, basically no one can mess around with it. You can turn and twist the knob, but you are not going to be able to unhook it. So So as you can see, you kind of basically kind of folds. As you can see, you're able to open the trunk, and also once you have it in place, yeah, so it's kind of flat. So that means that you can drive and it's gonna be steady. So we're gonna be testing it out here in a little bit. So that basically, as you can see, it's designed such that you're able to lower it down to open the boot of your vehicle and be able to put anything you're putting in there. And at the same time, you're able to put it back up after you finish with that. succeeded in putting up. This is an adult size bike. I've succeeded in putting it here. Now I gotta figure out how to get to have a smaller bike. Anyway guys, this is very intense, but as you can see, I have figured out how to get the bikes on. I'm gonna flip over the camera for just a sec. So I'm gonna demonstrate. So this is how you press the red button down and you open. No, you get the gist of it. So then once you have the bike on, you're trying to tighten it. So as you guys can see, I have fitted 2 bikes on. We have been laboring really hard to get the bike rack on the car, but it's a go. We have succeeded. I'm gonna lower the car down the driveway for just a second so you guys can see what it looks like. Alright folks, that's it from Church Unlimited. Task mission accomplished. So if you're tuning in, to my channel at Chacha Limited. Thank you so much. And for my returning subscribers, I am immensely grateful for your support. Keep watching my videos, sharing, liking it, and leave a comment. Please let me know how I'm doing. It's been a month and a week now since we launched Chacha Limited, and we're continuing to grow. Right now the goal is to 1,000 subscribers. But so if you're new here, like, share, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So anyway, guys, thank you. I hope you have a marvelous Labor Day. The 2nd of September 2024, and we are almost wrapping up the year. But for me, it's a wrap.